Hello and welcome to my annual Hypercar Supercar Classic spotting video. I normally only do one or two of these spotting videos every year, and this is the first of the two. Starting off, we have this stunning Pagani Huayra Roadster finished in this blue carbon and gold wheels from Dubai. I believe this is number 6 out of 100 made. Here we have the Bugatti Chiron Sport, an upgraded version of the standard Chiron, if there is such a thing. The upgrade will cost you about $400,000, and the car was slightly lightened and you had a bit more horsepower, and as you can see, different exhausts as well. The Lamborghini Murcielago SV looking stunning in orange, a car that I think will become highly sought after as time goes on, as they made only about 220 of these. Here we have one of my favourite Lamborghinis of all time, the Lamborghini Countach. It's actually one of my favourite cars. This one's finished in the perfect spec, triple white body, white wheels and white interior. This is the LP5000S, probably the least desirable version of the Countach. However, an exact same spec of this car sold for $1 million in a recent auction in the United States. Here we have a Mercedes SLS Gullwing. Interesting fact, Mercedes struggled to sell this car back when it was launched, and to entice people to buy this car, they promised all the buyers that there will be no more Gullwings after this one. So if they wanted one, they would have to buy one of these. The Ford GT, a car that has a huge amount of hype around it, particularly in the United States. However, I prefer the 2005 Ford GT. I find this design a bit awkward to look at. One of the best things about living in London is that you get to see all kind of cars, like this Bugatti Type 57. I'm not going to pretend to know anything about it, but it looks stunning parked outside Claridge's. A Porsche 964 Turbo is quite rare in London these days. I don't know what this colour is, but I think it looks absolutely stunning in person. Here's one of my favourite modern Porsches, the 911 Speedster, finished in this heritage livery.